Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can easily make a poll on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is let's go to whatever group I have here and I want to write something. I have option to choose when I want to what's on my mind. I have a poll here, so let's click on a poll and then I can see option 1, 2, 3. Okay, ask a question, lunch. Yes, no. You can also simply add a picture, or you can add a second option, and yep, this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down on comment, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.